I've pulled the tools and the steering parts out of the rust remover, and I've just brought them in the house to rinse them off according to the instructions. Now that I have that done, I'm going to dry them off and treat them with WD-40. WD-40 was designed as a water displacement formula. That's what we're using it for now. Just clean those off and we should be set to go.
Sometimes snow can do some cool stuff. This is the edge of the cattle tank that we use to collect water off the studio, and it's just sticky enough snow that it's actually created this cool edge to it. Honestly, never seen it do something exactly like this before. Obviously, the middle here has got some frozen water with slush on top. But I thought that was a pretty cool little natural construct. You know, we get the piles like on the cement blocks and the plants all the time. But this, usually there's just enough breeze to knock it off. And not today. So I'll take no breeze because it makes it a lot warmer. But I thought that was cool. I had to share that one. Definitely different.